British troops arrive in Estonia with military trucks and tanks. Kyiv is under attack by groups of Russian troops wearing Ukrainian uniforms in the latest ploy by mad tyrant Vladimir Putin. Ukrainian troops are reported to have killed a number of disguised soldiers as the capital prepares for a long bloody siege. It comes as citizens were urged to take up arms, make up Molotov cocktail firebombs, and to use commercial drones to defend their homes. Some 18,000 assault rifles have been handed out to residents and general mobilization has been ordered in a bid to protect their homes. On Thursday evening, US F-35 fighter jets arrived at Amari Air Base, which were sent to act as a deterrent to Russia by Washington. The country is also sending additional troops to Poland as well as jets and helicopters to the Baltic Sea region. The UK is sending an additional rotation, approximately 850 troops, to Estonia, doubling the size of its battlegroup contingent in the country.